Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. Allow me welcome people back.
No,
excuse me. Allow me welcome people
you're
back.
You're already welcoming them back.
Who could be?
The screen is before the end. Don't know so we don't come back. Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. And the matter we talk about today, and the matter of the visit where Oga President visit America, and the interview we get with one of Bonga news person they call Christina Amanpour for CNN. And the various questions where the woman ask him. She be now what you want to tell our viewers.
Thank you very much.
Tell them.
Okay. The second one when he answer, now be the major issue. Because woman, everybody, see, corruption. Everybody knows that corruption don't get 6 packs for inside Nigeria. From 1999 till this
under
moment.
our government.
No, wait till they talk.
Under our government.
Me. Everybody.
How much they say so far we don't chop. That is how much? How much? It's now up to 150 billion. How much they call them?
$150 billion.
Hey!
In the last 10 years.
Hey! And who started this government?
And the last 10 years.
Them. $150 billion. Now, people, our leaders, that is right from when they did, right from 1999 reach now. If now they don't carry. Chop $150 million.
If they talk about say people they chop money, no separate this one as no separate political party.
Because
70% of the people when they on a party today, which party they come from?
Nigerians,
which party they come from?
Help us check
from 1999, the major political party for Nigeria, now People's Democratic Party, where all of them there now.
The annual budget where they use every year and find out how much that money for servers, the number of years where that money for servers. $150 billion.
Who could be?
$B dollars,
who could
not
be?
$1 million.
Governor Rotimi Amechi, former Governor Rotimi Amechi now, will be senior man inside APC. How many years he spent for PDP as Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, as Governor of Rivers State, even though when Rocha Sokorocha, when be the Governor of Imo State, when even follow Oga Presido, travel go USA. Which party he did before? No, they come here, go and talk about, see, if I go cover my suit. If they talk about political party, say people they chop money, no even call they call because for this country they're very, very easy for people
but
to
pass from one party
to the other.
People.
Which platform started for which people?
The whole drama started from now.
Which whole drama?
If not encourage them. These people when they mention now, they don't foresee say, okay, no, I don't want to. In fact, right now, just as Oga Lai Mohammed talk, look, I know I've sinned over the time. I've been a part of corruption. I don't chop money. But this time around, oh no, I need to be clean. I need to join a party that has transparency, a party that has sincere people, a party that has the likes of Oga Muhammad Buhari that can lead us forward and make sure say our country they very blessed and developed. So let me now join that train so that at least my mind could take clear. I will not say yes, the past is the past, but the future we will face it.
You know the shame.
Eh?
You know the shame.
What do you mean?
You know the shame.
Person know they change.
You know the shame.
Person know they change.
If you be pastor for church, person when be say they know for area say he always they pick people pockets. He can't come church and say, oh, I don't want to pickpocket again.
Isn't that good?
If he can't, excuse me,
isn't that good?
If he tell you say he won't come join the department where we say that they watch over offering, who could be? You go allow him join that department
I
or
will
not?
allow him.
You are a liar.
Me.
You are a liar.
I will allow him.
You no go allow him.
I will allow him.
For your eye, I dey see him. You be like person.
You enter my eye, no ask my eye.
You dey show for your eye.
Look
camera,
the same way corruption.
Look camera, Nigerians show you.
The same way corruption they take show for your own.
See, now the same thing when they tell Jesus. You are accusing me falsely.
You are also accusing me falsely.
I'm not accusing you falsely. Why you tell me say person when they thief? He come your church, don't say he want to watch. He want to.
I say go allow him.
You not allow him. You not allow.
Not be the only person where they there. By the time go sit down with the other people, where we say they go count the money together. Where he say this one, he go count money, present the money the same way he take counter. This one count your own. That spirit not go even on counter and say,
okay,
let me go back to the past.
Make I come answer this question.
He go also they follow.
Why after President Muhammadu Buhari win the election, come sit down, he come they dodge some kind people.
Like who?
What he be like who? We know the people when they dodge now. We know the people when they dodge. People when we say all of them they follow together before they chop dinner, they chop everything.
Like who?
I see enter
mention name now.
Not me Amechi. I go mention name. I know they fear. I don't mention her.
Rotimi Amechi very recently. The two of them embrace, shake hand. Even that is embrace to say, look, I missed you. How you dey?
How you dey?
As
they embrace and you open one eye, they say, oh my God. Oh my God, the way I'm holding President Muhammadu Buhari, it's like very, very soon. Very, very soon. EFCC will be holding me. You not see the picture. You not even see the way they greet them. All of you, could be all of you.
All of you.
Now you do the example first.
No.
Allow me to use the example.
All of you.
Not they use hand. I want that use point. Not they use hand. They point. Not they use two hands. Make we take Oga Sam from Ikotun. You go hear
all of you.
All of you. You people.
Starting from you.
You people.
I go even tell me they can't carry you first.
Make we take Oga Sam from Ikotun now. Which one be this one now?
Oga Sam, good morning, Jare. They raise that kind of voice for me. Good morning, Oga Sam. Oga Sam, good morning.
Good morning, my brother there.
Yes.
Relax. God is in control.
Thank you very much. Tell him.
Unkubi agree to now.
Thank you very much, Oga Sam.
The Lord will bless two of you.
Amen.
Because you are doing great job for this country.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. The topic for this morning, I will say, Jimmy Cliff says, time will tell. A nation called Nigeria from independence to this date, yet we have not been able to find our feet. It's most unfortunate. First of all, the superpowers they are not enjoying the blessings God gave to this country in terms of human and material resources. Therefore, it is almost impossible for us to get any kind of solution from them. Vis-a-vis, our president today, in his presidential campaign, he has said so much. He's not remembering them. But today, it's before CNN, Christian Amanpour again saying that he wants to negotiate with Boko Haram. God's time will tell. But I am believing that in the first instance, for him to negotiate with Boko Haram, we know that the sympathizers across the northeastern states or the north, where they give this Boko Haram information, that's why they are getting their way to do what they're doing. Then number two, corruption. Murtala Mohammed tried it, he failed. Agolawo tried it, he failed.
Oga Sam. Hey, Oga Sam, dog. Now this one, Oga Sam won't use hit you.
No,
now he won't use hit you.
I will not take that
you get locked. You get locked.
I will not take that from you.
You escape him.
Oga Sam was trying to just analyze and break down. Take us back to history.
He mention people, but he want to say President Muhammadu Buhari will try it and start from his
we got Kunle on the line. We got Kunle on the line. Kunle, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah.
Abeg, good day here, Jare.
Oga Shukudi.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
Morning, Oga Nkube. Good morning.
Good morning, yes.
They enjoying our program.
Thank you.
Actually, in fact, what you are saying is a very, very interesting topic to this morning. But the issue of the matter is that, the beginning of this administration, we have, let's say, they have lied for us more than even accountable. So, for us to even believe anything now, understand now, is until we see what is happening. And again, let's start from the issue of corruption. If you are talking of corruption, you want to fight corruption. If you want to sweep outside, you first sweep inside your house first.
Thank you very much. Thank you very
much. Hold on. Oga Kunle dey here.
Hey, Oga Kunle, oh.
Wait, Oga Kunle is there.
And Oga Kunle don't say sweep.
Wait now.
He emphasize on the broom. Sweep.
They carry this one. Understand now? You never carry people they're supposed to carry in a graduate. You for sweep your house first before you go outside. Go sweep outside.
Okay.
It's just like person will carry stick, beat him brother. Understand now? You wait there outside, go dey fear say na cutlass go take cut you. Understand now? You go first sweep. It says that charity begins over at home. Understand now? If you won't really fight corruption, this one they are doing, I didn't see any sign of fighting corruption and all these things. Understand now? So the issue is that let's be sincere to ourselves. Understand now? And you see the issue they've lied for us. Okay, the other time they even reviewed the thing. He said that the SS crude oil, the money they share for the bailout for the state is from SS crude oil. The Accountant General said it, and I know that he met you before he said it. Okay, after 2 days he came out that it's not from the SS crude oil, from so this thing. Understand now? Okay, who are we going to believe? And again, the people that you give bailout, understand now? Why can't you check them? The money that you giving them, how do they spend it before you give them bailout? If you are fighting corruption, there must be some steps that you follow. Understand now? You just give them bailout, and without know the actual the cost of the problem they have, how they spend the money, the previous money they be giving them. And again, the issue of going to America, all these things. I don't sure that America has anything to offer us. Understand? Because if you can believe all this, our problem in Africa, they are this Western country. Just let it be sincere. At least a country like Nigeria, giants of Africa, understand, we're supposed to have at least a standing ground, understand, at least to balance, understand, to even make some decision on our own. Understand?
Yes,
and
again,
you know, according to the former president of Burkina Faso, the Thomas Gaba, he said that a suffering group of people without know the cause of their suffering, they will never have solution to it. Understand now? So let's look at the cause of our suffering. Okay, you go to America today and come and help us. You go, even America have problem all over. They have problem all over. Even they need Nigeria more than we need them. I'm telling you.
Thank you very much, Ogakunle.
The issue is that the issue of this maybe you want to fight corruption. I beg. Let's be sincere about that issue. Okay, look at you're talking about.
Thank you very, very much, Ogakunle, for your contribution. At least you hit them right at the point we want them. Ifi, they call us from Port Harcourt. Good morning, Ifi.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Madam Ifi.
Thank you very much. I like this anti-corruption stand when our presido gets. And we go like make them test the integrity because it don't work somewhere before. You know, when we look at, in don't dey for the government when people they accused before. Since 1960, since in those days, make we for check out in own integrity. We will go PCF where and work before. Start the probe from there. When we can establish, say, Olga Buhari, now man of integrity, true, like what they talk this morning. He say no go anywhere at all to fight this. As soon as they bring us, they don't work out, they go everywhere. So this integrity matter and corruption matter, and a serious matter, we won't kill Nigeria. But people when go program, now people when their hands clean. So we believe, say, Oga Buhari na Baba now, to prove this clean righteousness, we'll go PTF. First, let them start the probe from there. When they establish them, and now people when they correct, then go bring up, not be APC, not be PDP, then go bring correct people, make them see whether this our Baba, where one put everywhere right, whether himself they right too. Because when we get right, man, everything will work out properly. I support me then pro people and then go program right from when they start this our current what do they call it, democracy. Then go probe about Sanjo. Then go probe when Buhari dey for NNPC. Then go program when he dey for PCF. Everything make it dey cup open. Make Nigeria begin to pay restitution. The one when they teach, make it not teach anymore. It's not the past government when they did it. It's not 150 billion, make them bring up. So then we go do, not be say that we do selective probing. No. That one not go make Nigeria correct. When I see the appointment when Baba don't put now, at least he don't put, and they ask myself, this money when they want loan, who be the minister when sit down, saying at that time money Nigeria needs to rebuild. They want to rebuild Northeast. They don't rebuild the place where they bombed one time for Niger Delta. They rebuild OD. Why is this say rebuild? They fast. So we need to ask so many questions also. Because I know say this Baba tell us before. Say when you kill Boko Haram, you don't kill North. So me, I don't know who is who. Now true say this.
Madam, if you don't make very important points, you talk well. And quickly, we go just address some of the points where you raised.
Exactly.
During the electioneering campaign, people they talk say, you know, people they campaign and they talk some kind of talk to weaken the other people.
Of course.
But no person ever come out to talk say President Muhammadu Buhari say maybe he chop money, he do this thing ahead. The only thing when they talk that say in government, that is in military government, sack democratically elected government, suspend the constitution, can't rule anyhow. But military and democracy are two different things. So if even President Barack Obama fit confirm say this man a man of integrity, then we believe say we don't reach one point where we say if the head good, now we say we go start to the work for the body.
Usman, good morning. Usman, good morning.
How are they?
Good day, fine.
Small but mighty. Men are not on that studio to kill a man.
No. I just. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So my point be saying why people they complain say Buhari no they do. Waiting we want. This man go do it for 4 years. Why we all of us no support and make it do? America when you go, America get experience past Nigeria. Almost everything they get past Nigeria. Nothing when Nigeria want to say they get. We fit get natural resources, but we don't know how to manage them. we get enough human resources, we don't know how to manage them. A lot of graduates, they roam about the streets, we don't know how to manage them. So America will invite them come. So okay, though America will get what they want collect from Nigeria. Yes. No matter how you want to help somebody, you too must get something in return. But we give an element of doubt. Okay, this man don't go there saying go tackle corruption. He go tackle Boko Haram issue. Why we no one support him? Because this person where they there now, they get enough intelligence pass we will just be ordinary masses. They call us ordinary masses. So now, with the talk, so okay, Nigeria, we want to move forward. How we want to move forward? When we say, okay, we don't want to support the leader we did there. For example, now, you go see person we go drink pure water for streets. You go throw away for main road. Then our government go come help us from that place. Now, we self, we dey spoil am from under. We dey spoil am from under. We go come say, up, no good. This man, may we give him a chance, may he do him. If he come back, he go come take waiting there for us. It's okay. If minister enter now, if they enter, corruption they grant, them two go come corrupt them. So make everything dey stable. So anybody will want come go know say, oh boy, the foundation where this man set down, make a no spoil am. That is my own contribution. Thank you very much,
Oga Usman from Kwara. You don't make very, very important points. Oga Usman don't reiterate, say, make we support our Oga President because whether we like him or not, for the next 4 years, I think we'll do well.
Oga Usman talk, but then it will also, I want quickly also address it in Madam Ifi talk. Madam Ifi.
But before we address Madam Ifi, make we take Oga Igo. And before he begin to call you controversial again. Oga Igo from Abuja, good morning, sir.
Oga Igo, good morning.
Oga Igo, you dey hear us? Now to address what Madam Ifi talk. Okay. Oga Igo, we sure say we call back.
Quickly, Madam Ifi mentioned something. He said, look, if we really want this thing, make we go back to the drawing board. Make sure say we ensure say people where they bring into system. I mean, where would they bring in, make them fight a particular system of corruption? Make those people make it be seen as totally neutral people. People say they don't go even look anybody face. True. You understand? Because in the end, because one thing I don't realize about our system is say once one particular political party don't win, everything about that government they go on make sure say then make sure say it go around members of that political party, put them in different positions, and in the end that probe or that investigation to check or to at least to look into the government in place, what did they do? Also ask questions, say, I show you people are doing this way. You know go feed day too sincere. That transparency not go there. And that's why I say integrity, even the president, Oga President himself, if you bring out these neutral people, we'll go check corruption. Even Oga President said, no go even stay relaxed to say, at least you go there in the move to do it, to work. Because you know, yes, you get people they watch him.
Very true.
And if you get that wrong, he'll be questioned. So at least that same talk, if at least our leaders are here, make they also look into and know if they will follow up. Know as they will put up something that will help us at least to fight corruption for good.
Very true. Quickly, we go rush enter market. When we come back, we'll continue our discussion on top of two major topics so we can come. As it gets to do with negotiating with Boko Haram Jaguda people to free the Chibok girls, and also anybody when they corrupt no go escape the law, as Oga President don't talk. We they come back now still as it dey hot. Welcome back to Asiri Hot on top of the senior brother of all the television station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. And we discuss two very important topics. When we say come out from the interview, when we say our president, Oga Muhammadu Buhari, do with Christina Amanpour of the Cable News Network yesterday. And she asked her, say, the issue of the Chibok girls, when we say Boko Haram Jaguda people pake on the midnight of April 14th. And he answer, say, if them fit check, say, okay, oh, now these people be the real Boko Haram people, and they go fit give us the promise, say, these girls, they go return them, say they go sit down talk with them just to free the girls, return them back to us, and make them continue to live their life. She go ask them about corruption. He come and say, corruption na problem when we say don't get 6 packs inside Nigeria, especially since 1999. But saying go make sure say any corrupt person not go escape the law. Starting from his own political party. Unkubi, what do you have to say about this thing when we say our Oga President when get plenty action? Don't talk. Saying go start from his party to dey make people scapegoat. So this one na indication say whether you run comot from PDP go APC thinking say it is Uhuru, you will not escape.
Chukudi. You dey try talk to our viewers. Why you can't read that point of questioning? Instead of make you ask them a question, you can't dey even know, you know even. Okay, I'll go. Okay, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Uncle.
Good morning, I'll go. Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwu.
Good morning.
How are you?
We dey fine. We dey fine.
You get one question I want drop first of all. Kubi, now you get this question.
Okay.
The question be say, which way Nigeria?
Okay, which way
because
Nigeria?
I remember say when the one do that election, our former president fight these people nearly to finish up. Why not this present government go back to that same drawing board and do something about it? Whether they don't reason, they don't even think how many lives where this we don't take, how many damages where this we don't cause to this nation, where the one negotiate with them. Now where the one start, now who the one you follow negotiate, now where the one they do the negotiation. That be the question. And again, I think it's time for us to go to America. At least this help where they want help. If not oil, they want that, because I know say where bid always fish, honey must be there. I know say that that's our oil they want. Make we give them small. Make they come to our rescue. But even at this girl of 18 or whatever, me I no support that one. Thank you. May God bless you.
Thank you very much. Okay, from Calabar. You don't ask Nkubi question when we say he must answer, and I must ensure say you answer this question. You don't go escape. You must answer this question.
Is the question not directed?
It's not direct. It's directed. It's your question. Now what for you? It's your question.
Is the question not directed to us?
It's not. It's directed to us, but who is
so
to whom it may concern are you? To whom it may concern are you?
What do you mean by?
Who could answer this question? You don't go escape him. If you don't answer this question, now you will get.
I'm not going to answer any question.
You must answer this question.
The question is answered already.
Okay, which question is answered? Okay, call us all the way from Calabar to ask you this question. You know go escape.
The way forward, do Oga they demand for we won't know the answer. Now the fact that look, Oga Muhammad Buhari don't go seek for more support from American president. Okay, and the American president also guarantee and all promise and say we go support Nigeria. Supporting Nigeria means support Nigeria to do it, to at least to fight corruption.
Therefore,
support Nigeria to also do it.
The issue of corruption,
support Nigeria to also do it. To also at least for insecurity matter.
Answer the one way concern you. You dey talk support Nigeria for insecurity. Support all this one way they do na vote of thanks. This one way concern corruption starting from in party. In Tokan, who could be not going to change anything. In Tokan, it was clear.
Question where go okay ask me different from which you ask me now. Which one?
Now,
you want to make an answer?
Who could be?
Chukudi, I'm not answering that question.
You must answer it.
Oga Michael is not going to answer them. Good morning.
You are dodging question.
I'm not dodging anything.
You are dodging question.
Oga Michael, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yes.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Michael.
Yes, so I called this morning, I feel keep mad and contribute for this issue today. Please, there is something where we say I want talk. The thing where I want talk, they say criticism, that is to criticize somebody. It is very necessary because in criticizing a government, it serves as an instrument of evaluation to evaluate the government or to checkmate the government so that the government on its own will sit down, redirect the area where we say they lack.
Okay.
That is to say to criticize is very good. But I want also distinguish between tribalism, sentiment, and hate speech. Because for me, I look at it, some people, instead of giving a meaningful criticism, they are rather falling into hate speech, sentiment, and tribalism, and which will lead us, will carry us go forward. You see, like this issue of this interview where they interview Buhari, if people observe that particular interview, let me say Buhari just come out on his own and say he's going to negotiate with Boko Haram. You know, that a question where the way the woman put the question to Ram.
Now he lead to the answer.
If we go remember how the woman put the question to Ram, now he make him answer that particular question. Say yes, his door is free to negotiate if they are willing to negotiate to get the safe, rescue of that particular. But now people they read that with a different mind, say now him willingly. And if I can able to go further, let me point out one particular thing. You see, there's a difference between sympathy and empathy. People now go look people who say the parent will say the victim of all those people who Boko Haram, they would sympathize with them. But to empathize with them, put yourself in your shoe, you go feel the way the parents of those particular ladies they feel. Because if you don't empathize with them, you don't go know. You don't expect the president to come out and publicly in the television. Wait.
Say, as Nigerian people, we put our Oga Presido for level where we say all of us go give her respect. We know that you get plenty things to talk, but that point where you don't hit, it's very, very important. Oga Polycarp, all the way from Enugu. Oga Polycarp, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chukode.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
I enjoyed the one I talk about.
Okay.
First of all, going to America to see Obama is a very good development. But America, body shining higher. Nothing goes for nothing. America never make friends with people where you don't get anything from their hand. After Obama came from Kenya, now only now when I visit Kenya.
Because
America doesn't negotiate with terrorists, and the Boko Haram is terrorists. And again, all the probe, where is the probe? May he probe them. Starting from his PAPC, where the powerful parties, and go to other parties, and other corrupt people, where we for Nigeria. So, may they be very careful.
Okay.
Time still there. But may do fast and bring his cabinet. All the September issue, not jail, not okay with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Polycarp. Thank you
very important point. Make I hammer on top of what Oga Michael talk. Oga Michael been talk say, if we address issues, make we comot bias and sentiment. Even though it is important, say make we talk. Now why we emphasize say yes, it good make we say we look the matter from the inside.
Exactly.
Before we call look and say na this talk, na that talk. And on top of us, we always talk and say our Oga Presido, na person when we say we believe in, irrespective of say we get people who come from different parts of this country. All of us now one and children of our great country, Nigeria. Together we go join and together move our country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke on top of the Nigeria political arrangement. Nkubi, do us the honors of telling them bye-bye.
Our viewers say tomorrow we'll meet again and to also talk under interesting stuff.
Talk the bye-bye well.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.